List or library control allows you to display related items or documents right on the form. In this video, I'll show you how to set up filtering of related items based on a field value or display items from a specific folder dynamically with JavaScript. By the way of an example, I have a purchase order form with a list of related documents, and I need to display only documents with the approved status. You can configure a static filter that does not depend on the current item. Simply create a separate view with the pre-configured filtration and pick it in the data source editor of the list or library control. But if you need to filter items dynamically, you can do that using camel query. For instance, filter documents by one field on form load. I add the code from the documentation to the JavaScript editor, change the internal name of the control, and the field name. Set the parameter to approved. Save the form. Now only approved items are displayed on the form. You can apply filtration dynamically using multiple parameters. Please find more examples in our documentation. The link is available in the video description. Root folder is the property that specifies which folder is opened in list or library control by default. You can either set the root folder in the control settings in the designer, thus the root folder will be static, or you can change the root folder dynamically using the code. For instance, documents are organized in folders and the folder name contains ID of a parent item from another list with purchase orders. In the purchase order form, I need to display items from within the corresponding folder. I add the code from the documentation to the JavaScript editor, change the internal name of the control, and save the form. Now, when I open the form, the root folder changes based on the parent ID. I can create a new document in the folder right on the form by clicking the New button and choosing a document type. As you can see, a newly created document has been added to the current folder. You can find more examples on how to change the root folder in our documentation. The link is in the description. Also, I added a link to a more specific case describing how to create folders for related documents automatically. To learn how to configure a SharePoint form containing the list of related items, please see our previous video or check out our documentation. Thank you for watching.